Yay! Look at that. First time. Lily and Mama. Yay!
Okay.
Oh
You have
my.
to be real careful because there's an
Oh.
IV on this side. So you have to be real careful with this arm. Okay? Because the IV is going to stay going. We're going to continue to give her antibiotics until we're sure she doesn't need them anymore. I'm going to move this and go ahead and drop that hand. There you go. Make sure that's okay. There we go.
Okay. Look at Lily. Yay.
Okay.
Wow. Look at Lily and Mama. Hi. Yay. Look at.
Are you okay?
Okay. Look at all of us. Okay. Look at that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Give her a kiss.
I don't want to. I'm not brushing my teeth.
Yay, Lily. Hi. Okay.
No.
What a beautiful baby.
It's mixing the house. You have a heart for you.
No, that's okay. Look at. Hey, look at that. Look at Lily and Mama. Hi, Lily. Yay. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay.